US President Joe Biden will unveil his $1.8 trillion American Families Plan when he addresses a joint session of Congress on Wednesday. The massive proposal is the second part of his effort to revitalize the nation after the COVID pandemic. It comes a month after he revealed an even larger $2 trillion plan aimed at updating the country's infrastructure. The American Families Plan would help low and middle income families pay for healthcare for young children. It would also make 2 years of community college free, provide 12 weeks of paid family and medical leave for workers, and create a universal preschool program. Biden plans to pay for the plan by increasing the highest income tax bracket from 37% to 39.6% and adding 3.8% to the 20% capital gains tax for people making at least $2,000 to $100,000 a year. Those tax hikes, along with the sheer size of the plan, is leading to some resistance among the moderate Democrats. Some progressive lawmakers are upset the plan does not reduce prescription drug prices. Starting today, US military planes will be landing in India, loaded with supplies to help them fight a brutal surge of COVID-19. Already, hundreds of thousands have died there. This week, White House committed to sharing up to 60 million doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine still not authorized in the US with other countries. And Wednesday news that the United States is delivering supplies worth more than $100 million to India, including refillable cylinders of oxygen, 1,700 oxygen concentrators to pull oxygen from the air, 15 million N95 masks, supplies to make 20 million doses of AstraZeneca vaccine, and the first of 20,000 treatment courses of planes packed with supplies will continue into next week. Some North Texans are reporting up to baseball-sized hail across the region as thunderstorms rolled through the area on Wednesday night. Large hail and damaging winds were the main threats with this storm, which started a little after 7 p.m. in North Texas area and continued overnight through some areas. The severe weather threat will decrease later, but then the main concern will be heavy rain and potential flooding. Moderna wants to make up to 1 billion doses of its COVID-19 vaccine this year. That's the goal, at least. Back in January, the initial goal estimate was 600 million doses, but the drug maker announced plans to ramp things up, adding between 200 and 400 more doses to that tally. With the goal of 3 billion doses next year, these estimates includes the company authorized COVID-19 vaccine along with the potentially lower dose variant boosters. Moderna says it will start making investment at manufacturing facilities this year and then ramp up production after that. The company also says it's working to extend the shelf life of its vaccines.